Good morning friends, let's talk about daily commodity commentary and its technical level. Yesterday we have noticed that gold and silver increased sharply. Gold increased by 0.98% and closed at 50,138. Silver also closed in positive note, closed by 2.32% positively and closed at 60,396. In international market, gold is trading around $1882 per ounce and silver is trading around $23.66 per ounce. Uncertainty on a political side in US. Due to this, we have noticed that dollar index corrected sharply, and by this we have seen that gold and silver recovery as a safe haven asset. We are expecting a positive trend will continue in gold and silver. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 49,500, resistance at 50,800. Silver has a strong support at 58,800, resistance at 61,800. So we recommend buy in gold and silver for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday base metal also increased sharply. Copper increased by 0.75% and also zinc also increased by 2.53%. Recovery in equity market and also positive cues from Asians market, which also lead to the demand expected to increase demand in the base metal, and we have seen that base metal yesterday recovered sharply. So for today perspective, we are expecting a positive trend will continue in base metal. Copper has a strong support at 514, resistance at 526. Zinc has a strong support at 190, resistance at 195. Lead has a strong support at 145, resistance at 150. Aluminium support at 143, resistance at 148. Nickel support at 1053, resistance at 1082. The trend of base metal is positive, so we are expecting a positive trend will continue in base metal. So trader can go for buy in base metal for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the energy segment. Yesterday we have also noticed that crude oil prices increased sharply by 0.67% and closed at 2989. However, international market currently prices are trading on a lower note. Crude oil currently trading around 40.36, down by 0.52%. Higher supplies may lead this correction, and we are expecting crude oil may trade on negative note for intraday perspective. So trader can go for short in crude oil. Crude oil has a strong support at 2890, resistance at 3080. So trader can go for short in natural gas in crude oil for intraday perspective. However, we noticed that natural gas prices were traded on a sideways trend. However, these prices decreased by 2.05%. Currently prices are on overbought zone, so we are expecting some correction may seen in natural gas. However, winter season demand may support the natural gas prices on a lower levels. Natural gas price has a strong support at 197, resistance at 212. So for intraday perspective, we are expecting natural gas price may correct, so trader can go for short around 208, and it has a strong support at 197. So trader can also go for buy at 197 in natural gas. Now let's talk about the Indian rupee. Yesterday we saw that rupee trade on a sideways trend. However, it appreciated by 0.12% on a flat note, closed at 73.63. We are expecting appreciation may be in USD INR for short term perspective. We are expecting USD INR may test 73.20 and 73 levels. It has a strong support at 73, resistance at 74.20. So for intraday perspective, since the dollar weakness in dollar may lead support to USD INR, so we expect a appreciation in USD INR. So trader can go for short in USD INR towards appreciation. We hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you.